Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, we will be learning how to use bio editing in Zangi. Your Zangi bio is a simple way to tell your friends, family or contacts a little about yourself. If you want to edit your bio on Zangi, the first thing to do is to launch open the Zangi application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're inside the home page or the chat page, go to the bottom right corner of your screen and tap on the gear icon. After you do that, you'll end up in the settings menu where you need to tap on your profile. On the next page, go to the bio option. Just tap on it and you'll be able to see this editing screen. Go ahead and write down a new bio you want to change to. Just erase the current one and then write down a new one. And once you are done, tap the tick mark at the top right corner and you have successfully edited your bio on Zangi. Now you can return back to the main home screen, and that's it. Make sure to keep your bio short and meaningful. Avoid sharing sensitive personal information in your bio, and you can update it whenever you want to reflect something new about yourself. You can also use emojis if you'd like to add a bit of your personality. So that's how you easily update your bio in Zangi. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.